Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Shark Hydrovac Cordless, a 3-in-1 hard floor cleaner that promises to revolutionize your cleaning routine. We'll explore its design, performance, pros, cons, and whether it's worth your hard-earned money. Let's kick things off with the design. The Shark Hydrovac Cordless sports a sleek charcoal gray finish that looks stylish in any home. It's relatively lightweight at just under 4 kilograms, making it easy to maneuver around your home. The cleaner comes with a 500 milliliters water tank and features LED headlights on the cleaning head, which illuminate hidden debris as you vacuum. Setting it up is a breeze. You attach the body to the head, fill the tank with water and cleaning solution, and you're good to go. The LED control panel provides clear battery life and cleaning solution levels, ensuring you're always informed. Moving on to performance, this cleaner truly shines on sealed hard floors. It vacuums and mops simultaneously, making quick work of spills and messes. Whether it's dried cereal, baked beans, or crumbs from biscuits, the Shark Hydrovac handles it all with ease. The vacuum's push-pull action in hard floor mode is efficient and satisfying to use. It runs for about 25 minutes on a full charge, which was sufficient for me to clean multiple rooms before needing a recharge. While it excels on hard floors and low-pile carpets, it's not suitable for deep pile carpet due to its brush roll design. Now, the big question: should you buy the Shark Hydrovac Cordless? If you're looking to streamline your cleaning routine with a versatile, all-in-one solution for hard floors and occasional carpets, this could be a great fit. It's ideal for those who prioritize convenience and efficiency in their cleaning tools. In conclusion, the Shark Hydrovac Cordless WD201, WD210 impresses with its performance and design. It's a powerful cleaner that simplifies vacuuming and mopping tasks, though it does have its quirks. If you can overlook its minor limitations and prioritize its strengths, it's definitely worth considering for your home. That wraps up our review of the Shark Hydrovac Cordless. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and tech insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.